Hi everyone, welcome back to my next session on the generative AI, the third types of prompting, that is chain of thought prompting in Gen AI, generative AI. Okay, so here, if you haven't watched my previous sessions, please go ahead and watch my sessions. It is available in my YouTube channel. And this is the third type of prompting which I'm going to explain with some examples using ChatGPT. So basically this chain of thought prompting, right? It is basically a technique that guides AI to think and respond logically, step by step, making it an powerful way of solving problems like math problem. It could be debugging code or analyzing data or much more, like kind of reasoning. Okay, so here we will dive into these methods, different types of unique examples. I'll be walking you all through. So before we dig in to this topic, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like my channel, if you have any specific questions, please go ahead and put it in your comment box. I will be happy to get the sessions around that topic. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'll be walking you all through some of the unique examples of chain of thought prompts along with the explanations. So let's, as we see, first we'll see about the math problem itself. So we can ask, what is 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6? Think step by step. Okay, this is what I am going to ask. Okay, you see it has given you the complete breakdown with the step by step. Start the number, then add the digits in the one place, then add the digits in the tens place, add the digits in the hundreds place, combine the results. The final answer is this, right? So this is where we are asking Gen AI to think and respond in a step by step. This is one example where it guides the model to break down a calculation into a smaller steps for people who wants more clarity or understanding things, right? Second example could be like if you want to validate some facts, right? So I can take an example like, is the statement water boils at 50 degrees Celsius true? Explain your reasoning step by step. Let's see how this is gonna respond. So here what happens is it's actually validating whatever we have asked. Is it giving, it's validating and giving a reasoning. Okay, so understanding the boiling point of water at sea level, effect of pressure, or like it gives you the detailed steps, and the conclusion it says is the statement water boils at is false unless it refers to a situation with significantly reduced atmospheric pressure, which is not typical, right? So this is where it is say it is not right. um, so that is why it is going to give you the reasons as well. Okay, next, if you have any examples, if you want to check if the sentence is correct or not, okay, like basically grammar mistake check. Okay? So I'll give correct the grammar in this sentence. Okay, so my sentence is, he go to the bank yesterday. Okay, and I will ask, explain your changes. So it will explain why it is not. The corrected sentence is, he went to the bank yesterday, right? So but what is the explanation of the changes, why it got changed? It is giving you the detailed explanation of why this is not correct or this has to be corrected, right? So step by step it is being giving you the explanation. Next we can see, if you want a recipe explanation, right? How do you uh, bake a cake? Explain step by step. So it gives you the detailed steps, okay, ingredients. It gives you all the list of steps in a detailed manner, so that it's very detailed for us to whoever wants to process, who wants the guidance in the process of breaking into very clear and actionable steps, right? So that is how it is. So next we can see about the translation. If you want to translate from one to another, right? So I'll give translate. I am learning AI. Can put Gen AI to Spanish. Explain your translation choices. Okay, let's see what is it is going to give. So it has translated to Spanish and it has given you the explanation why, what, and things. Okay. Uh, okay. This is another example. So next we can see if you want to analyze something, right? I can say why did World War uh, start? Explain in explain step by step. So here it breaks the complex historical event into a manageable parts. Okay, so if you see, it has given you the bullets and each it has given you the complete details, right? So this is where it is giving. So next, if you want to solve any puzzle with some explanation on that, right? So John has 3 apples. He gives one to um, one to one to Sam and one to Mike. How many does he left? Explain. See, it gives you with a step by step. What was the initial one? What happened? Right. So this gives you the step by step things. Okay. So assume now if you have some issues in your code and you want a debugging example, right? So why does this code produce an error? So maybe I can just put console.log of x, let x equal to 5. Explain step by step. Yeah. So it gives you the detailed explanation why it has caused this particular error. So it gives you the corrected code as well. Okay, this is one. And so word definition. What does any word means, right? So what does ambitious mean? Explain. So it gives you a detailed explanation of what does it mean, right? And if you have any travel planning, if you want to plan a trip, right? So how do I plan a trip to India? Explain. So it gives you the organized planning with a clear timeline and what is the best place or the destination you can reach and what's the duration you want and how much would be the tentative price it will cost, right? This all will be given to you. Okay. And these are the several examples where which highlights the chain of thought, where you want a detailed explanations, or if you want GenAI to think and then respond, right? Systematic thinking and responding for better outcomes. So this chain of thought is very, very helpful in those scenarios. Okay. So that's the end of our session where we have deep dive into chain of thought prompting with different set of examples. We have seen how this technique, this particular type of prompting encourages AI to think step by step, enabling more precise and detailed responses. So starting from math problem to any of the examples like translations or extra, it's a game changer in enhancing AI's responsible reasoning capabilities. Okay, so whether you're working on the complex projects or any solving the problems, or if you want to debug the issues, chain of thought prompting is a valuable way of prompting to have in your uh, solution. So thank you for watching the sessions, and don't forget to try this technique in your prompt engineering concept. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. If you are interested on any of the specific topics on the GenAI, please put it in your comment box. I can surely get some sessions around that. Thank you, everyone.